How to use Expedia loyalty tier feature. To use the Expedia's loyalty tier feature, you must track and collect trip elements across Expedia, Hotel.coms, and Fibro to unlock higher status levels and better travel perks. So to track your earning and status tiers, first of all, you simply have to launch the Expedia application on your device, then tap on this Trips tab over here. From here, you should be able to track and earn status. If you book hotel for one night, you'll get one element, and if you book one flight ticket for one way or round trip, one element will be given to you. And you can also get 1 day car rental, one activity ticket, as well as one vacation rental night. And your tier will be determined by the total number of elements you accumulate. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.